So some people face challenges in adoption because either they're adopting a child that is the child of their spouse, and you have another parent, whether it's the biological dad or mom, that still wants to be involved in some way. They can't because they have either had their rights terminated, or they have some kind of visitation, but they're not exercising it. And we have to go through certain steps to make sure that this problem isn't going to create an issue in your adoption. If their rights have been terminated, it could be as simple as making sure we get certified copies of those orders from the juvenile court to file into your adoption court. And that may happen in 2 different counties at times for various reasons. Sometimes the parent's rights have not been terminated, and we have to get that other parent served. That can create issues if they try to file an answer or an objection to the adoption. Then the adoption basically goes on hold. We skip over to the juvenile court and file a petition to terminate the parent's legal rights, and then come back and pick up with the adoption. Sometimes we run into problems with adoptions, and it's not really a problem, just something to keep in mind. If a grandparent has a right of visitation with a child, we have to make sure they get notice of the proceedings, and sometimes that adoption can leave in place the grandparent's visitation rights. So there are all kinds of issues that a person can run into in an adoption, but here's the good news. None of them are anything you can't overcome. You can work through all of these issues if you know how to do it, and you work through it in the right way, and in the end, you can still get a good result, even if problems crop up along the way.